This one, we need to put the old one. Yeah, the new.
Maybe the tech transmission.
Otherwise, you remove. Again. Ano? O, water pump. Sama mo na. Hindi, yung hose mura lang yun. Oo, saka na. Sige. Oo, saka na. Basta kulang lang. Yung water pump. Water pump lang at saka yung hose. Saka kulang.